The Ford Blue Oval logo is a great little decal for any F-150 owner who's looking to show some Ford pride on their truck in one of the simplest ways possible. The vinyl decal sticks right onto the glass anywhere on your truck and shows the world that you're representing the Blue Oval. It's super affordable, only 15 bucks, and the installation, as you can imagine, is incredibly simple. After all, it's only a decal, so expect 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Now, there's really not a whole lot I could say about this one. It is pretty self-explanatory after all. It's made right here in-house at AmericanTrucks Graphics out of the highest quality window vinyl available on the market to make sure once it's on there, you don't have to worry about it deteriorating over time like some of the third-party stuff you might find elsewhere. Now, you can expect this to last at least 8 years on your truck. Getting it on your truck is as simple as using good old soap and water to completely clean the area on the glass, get rid of all dirt and dust, then apply it carefully. The squeegee in the kit will help push out any bubbles or wrinkles for a clean finish. Overall, it's extremely simple, as you can imagine. Getting the Ford Blue Oval logo decal installed is really going to be a no-brainer. There's only a couple of steps involved and only a couple of things you'll need. First off is going to be a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle. This is going to be useful to clean the back windshield we're applying it to, as well as wetting the back of the decal. Also included in your kit is going to be a squeegee, and then finally you'll just need a clean rag to wipe things down. So getting this installed, you'll just peel off the backing layer of this. After you clean the windshield completely, freeing it of all dirt and dust, that is the most important step. Peel off the backing to this, wet the decal itself and the area, and you'll be able to stick it into place, adjust, and squeegee out the air bubbles. So the first thing we want to do is use our soap and water mixture and a clean rag to clean off the entire area we're going to apply the decal to. This is one of the most important steps because you don't want to apply the decal when there's any dirt or dust in the way, because then, of course, you're not going to get the good bond that you want to. So we'll just wipe this down. It doesn't have to be completely dry at first just because you're going to wet the area anyway. Just make sure that all that dirt and dust is free. Now, the next step in the process is going to be to peel off the backing of the Ford Oval logo. Now, you want to make sure that the actual logo decal itself is going to stick to the transparent front side and not that back white side. So you're going to peel this whole thing off. All right, and that backing can go away. The next step you want to make sure you're doing is wetting both sides. It doesn't have to be too wet. Just make sure there's a little bit of moisture on the windshield, and then you're going to wet the back of this decal. From here, you can take the decal and stick it into place where you want it. So once both sides are wet and you actually apply the decal itself, once the backing is still on, you can take your squeegee and kind of just push out some of that moisture to get the decal to stick to that windshield. Just getting some of those air bubbles out, making sure the decal itself is sticking to the windshield. And then from there, you can actually peel that off. Put the backing off, take your squeegee, make sure there's no air bubbles in it. I think that looks pretty good. Wipe it down with your rag. So check out the Ford Oval logo in blue, but also a black finish is available, both of which you can find right here at AmericanTrucks.com.